I'm George Fullerton, and this is my daughter Nora, and this is our hired hand for the summer, Sam Pie Karski. It's a George Fullerton Family Farm. This is a family farm. We have some beef cows, and Nora has some turkeys and chickens and some wine grapes, and a nice dog.
So all our animals are outside. They experience the most natural life that they can.
Very healthy, lots of air, lots of exercise. Makes a far superior product. And we've been here at Long Reach for, the house is 105. That was my grandfather's house.
Wow.
And I grew up next door. Open Farm Day is a very important vehicle for agriculture to share with the public, and tells our story and gives the public the experience of what agriculture is, where some of their food comes from.
Why is solar important to you?
Just to make the farm more sustainable for the future.
We've burned enough fossil fuels. We have to start looking for alternatives. We're fairly happy with the performance so far. Our neighbors stop in, There's a lot of people, can I come see it? We want to see it. It was an adventure getting here.
Have you noticed a difference on your power bill yet?
Oh yeah, yes, yeah. By the time she has the farm, it'll be paid for. And then she'll have free power the rest of her life.